Everyone, this is Seema Pathak from Nilan's tutorial. Today I am going to explain you all about completing square method. That is, it is a part of quadratic equation. Exercise 2.3. We are going to solve few questions from this exercise. So first question I am going to solve, that is x square plus 2x minus 5. In such type of equation we have to focus on the coefficient of x. As we will see the coefficient of x, it is plus 2. We'll put it in the formula half into coefficient of x ka square. So we'll get half into 2 ka square equal to 1 ka square equal to 1. Now the whatever we are getting the number over here, we have to add and subtract in the given equation. So we will write x square plus 2x. After this second term we'll add 1 and subtract 1, and then we'll write this term as it is here, that is minus 5 equal to 0. Now there is one trick. Always keep in mind, whatever we are getting here in a square form, that same number we will write here after writing the variable which is there in the given equation. So here the variable x is given, so we'll write x plus 1 ka whole square, and then this will be minus 1 minus 5 will become minus 6 equal to 0. Now we will try to make this number as a square form. So you can see that 6 is not a perfect square, so we'll write root 6 ka whole square. So it will become in the form of a square minus b square. Now applying the formula, that is a square minus b square, we will get a plus b, a minus b. So we'll write x plus 1, that is a, plus root 6, that is b. Same way x plus 1, that is a, minus root 6, that is b, equal to 0. Now again we'll write x plus 1 plus root 6 equal to 0, or x plus minus root 6 equal to 0. So we'll get the value of x as x equal to minus 1 minus root 6, or x equal to minus 1 plus root 6. As this number, when they go to other side, their sign changes. So we'll get these numbers. So minus 1 minus root 6 or minus 1 plus root 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now let's see one more question, that is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 equal to 0. The solution, we'll write, first we'll write the given equation, then we will see the coefficient with the variable, that is y square. You will see there is not 1, there is some other digit, that is 2 is there. It can be 4, 5, 6. So what we have to do, we have to try to remove this number and make it as 1. So for this, making it as 1, we have to divide it by 2. We will get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 upon 2 equal to 0. As we know, we are aware that whenever we are dividing or multiplying or adding, subtracting, we have to do it on both the side. So therefore after dividing by 2, we will get the equation as y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Because this 2 will be divided, 10 will be divided by 2, you will get 5. Now as I have said, we have to focus on the coefficient of y, that is 9 upon 2 is the coefficient of y. We'll put the value here. We'll get 9 upon 4, because 9 ones are 9 and 2 twos are 4. 9 upon 4 ka square, that is 81 upon 16. Now as I said, we have to add and subtract this number in the given equation. We'll get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16 minus 81 upon 16 plus 5 equal to 0. Now as according to the trick I said, always keep in mind this square wala term we have to write with the variable. So here, because there was a plus sign, here also plus sign will come, y plus 9 upon 4 ka whole square. And you can check it out also by applying the formula a plus b the whole square. When you will open this bracket, you will get the same terms what is there here. So this you will get y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square minus, as we will take the minus common, we will get 81 upon 16 minus 5 equal to 0. Then again after taking LCM, we'll get, after taking LCM, we'll get 81 minus 80 upon 16 equal to 0. So we will after subtracting 81, 80 from 81 will get 1 upon 16. Then 1 upon 16 is nothing but 1 upon 4 the whole square. So we will get this in the form of a square minus b square. Again applying the formula a plus b minus b, will get y plus 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Y plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. So we'll get y plus, here we will take the LCM, we will get 9 plus 1 upon 4. Here also we will take the LCM, we will get 9 minus 1 upon 4 equal to 0. Then after solving it, we will get y plus 10 upon 4, y plus 8 upon 4 equal to to 0. So y plus 10 upon 4 equal to 0 or y plus 8 upon 4 equal to 0. Then y will be y equal to minus 10 upon 4 or y equal to minus 8 upon 4. So after solving it, we'll get y equal to minus 5 upon 2 or y equal to minus 2. So minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let's see one more question, that is 5x square equal to 4x plus 7. First we have to arrange this equation. We'll get, when we will take it on the right hand side, left hand side, we'll get it 5x square minus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. Now as I said, we have to make it 1 here near the square wala variable. We will get it dividing by 5, will get it x square minus 4x upon 5 minus 7 upon 5 equal to 0. Now I said we have to focus on the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is minus 4 upon 5. So we'll put the value, we'll get minus 2 upon 5 the whole square. So after squaring it, we will get the number 4 upon 25. And then as I said, we have to add and subtract the number. We will get x square minus 4x 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 minus 7 equal to 0. So as I said, we have to write this square term. So we will write as it is. We will write the variable x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square. You can check it out by applying the formula a minus b the whole square. You will get the same term what it is there. So this will write as x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square, and then minus, when you will take LCM, you will the LCM will be 25. This will be minus 4 plus this minus, since we have taken minus common, we will get 4 plus 35 in the bracket. Then after solving it, we will get it as 39 upon 25. After making it in a form of square, we will get root 39 upon 5 the whole square. Now we got the terms in a square and b minus b square form. Now applying the formula, we will get x minus 2 upon 5 plus root 39 upon 5. Same way, x minus 2 upon 5 minus root 39 upon 5 equal to 0. So we will write it separately. We will get x minus 2 upon 5 plus root 39 upon 5 equal to 0, or x minus 2 upon 5 minus root 39 upon 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 upon 5 minus root 39 upon 5, or x equal to 2 upon 5 plus root 39 upon 5 equal to 0. So x, when we will take the LCM, we will get x is equal to 2 minus root 39 upon 5, or x equal to 2 upon plus root 39 upon 5. So 2 upon root 39 upon 5 and 2 minus root 39 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So as I have explained about the completing square method, if you have any doubt or queries, kindly write in the comment section. And if you like my video, so do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.